If your Power BI reports only tell you what happened, you're already behind where business intelligence is headed. The next evolution is Agentic BI. Instead of waiting for someone to ask the right question, AI agents can identify trends, investigate anomalies, surface insights, and even recommend actions automatically. Powered by Microsoft Fabric and Copilot, Agentic BI transforms Power BI from a reporting platform into an intelligent decision support system. In this video, we'll explain what Agentic BI is, why organizations are adopting it, and the key building blocks you need before you start. So what exactly is Agentic BI? Traditional business intelligence focuses on dashboards and reports. Users log in, review KPIs, and manually investigate what's happening in the business. Copilot introduced conversational analytics by allowing users to ask questions in natural language instead of building reports themselves. Agentic BI takes things a step further. Instead of waiting for someone to ask a question, AI agents proactively analyze your data, identify meaningful patterns, explain what's happening, and recommend what to do next. Imagine your sales dashboard doesn't just show declining revenue. An AI agent recognizes the trend, investigates contributing factors across your semantic model, summarizes the findings, and recommends the accounts or products that need immediate attention. That's the shift from reactive reporting to proactive intelligence. Many organizations have invested heavily in dashboards, but still struggle to turn insights into action. Teams spend hours exporting data, validating numbers, building presentations, and answering the same questions over and over. Agentic BI reduces that manual effort. By combining Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, semantic models, and Copilot, organizations can automate repetitive analysis while giving business users faster access to trusted insights. Analysts spend less time creating reports and more time solving business problems. Executives spend less time asking for information and more time making decisions. That's where the real value comes from. One of the biggest misconceptions is that Agentic BI starts with AI. It doesn't. It starts with your data foundation. Let's walk through the key components and why each one matters. First, you need Microsoft Fabric capacity. Fabric provides the unified platform where your data, analytics, governance, and AI capabilities work together. Without the right Fabric environment, many of the advanced Copilot and AI capabilities simply aren't available. Next is your Power BI workspace. Think of your workspace as the home for your reports, semantic models, and AI experiences. A well-organized workspace makes collaboration, governance, and security much easier as AI becomes part of your reporting process. Then comes Copilot. Copilot isn't just another chatbot. Within Power BI and Microsoft Fabric, it helps generate report content, summarize insights, answer business questions, and work alongside your users using natural language. It's the conversational layer that makes your data more accessible. But Copilot is only as good as the data behind it. That's why semantic models are so important. A semantic model gives your business data meaning. It defines relationships, business calculations, measures, hierarchies, and terminology, so AI understands your organization the same way your analysts do. Without a strong semantic model, AI can produce inconsistent or misleading answers. Equally important is data quality. AI doesn't fix incomplete, inconsistent, or poorly governed data. If your source systems contain duplicates, conflicting definitions, or missing information, those issues will surface in AI-generated insights. Clean, trusted, and well-managed data remains the foundation of successful Agentic BI. Finally, governance ties everything together. Organizations need clear security policies, sensitivity labels, access controls, and responsible AI practices to ensure users receive accurate information while protecting sensitive business data. The better your foundation, the better your AI outcomes. Once those building blocks are in place, organizations can begin introducing AI agents into everyday business processes. Finance teams can automatically investigate budget variances and explain why forecasts changed. Sales leaders can identify at-risk opportunities before they impact revenue. Operations teams can monitor inventory levels, supply chain disruptions, or production performance without manually reviewing dozens of dashboards. Executives can receive concise summaries of business performance instead of searching through multiple reports. The common theme isn't replacing analysts. It's allowing AI to handle repetitive investigative work so people can focus on making better decisions. As organizations begin implementing Agentic BI, we consistently see a few common challenges. The first is treating AI as the starting point instead of the outcome. Successful implementations begin with governed, well-structured data. Another mistake is overlooking the semantic model. If your business definitions aren't standardized, AI won't consistently understand your metrics. Many organizations also underestimate governance. Security, permissions, metadata, and data quality become even more important as AI gains broader access to organizational knowledge. Finally, remember that AI is designed to augment your analytics team, not replace it. The best results happen when analysts, business users, and AI work together. Agentic BI represents the next evolution of business intelligence. By combining Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, Copilot, and AI agents, organizations can move beyond static dashboards toward intelligent systems that help users understand what's happening, why it's happening, and what they should do next. If you're planning your own Agentic BI journey, focus first on building a trusted data foundation. Strong governance, high-quality semantic models, and clean business data are what enable AI to deliver meaningful results. For a complete step-by-step implementation guide, including prerequisites, setup instructions, and best practices, visit the blog linked in the description below. And if your organization is exploring Microsoft Fabric, Power BI, or Enterprise AI, the team at Collective is here to help you build a foundation that's ready for what's next.